Everything in order?
Yep.
All right. The sun's gone down. Now might be a good time to consider where we'll set down for the night.
I'm with Iggy.
What was that?
Was that what I think it was?
Looked demonic to me.
Why here? Why now?
I don't know, and I don't want to find out.
Same here. I say we step on it.
No way we're taking that thing on.
No turning back.
Nope.
Out of the way! Say your prayers.
Well, here we are.
Ignis doesn't look good. He must be poisoned.
Just great.
Iggy's looking pretty rough. I can keep this team in check.
His poor.
Clean glasses.
Capital idea, not?
All right, boys, we're in the home stretch.
Let's go.
Indeed. Everything in order?
Yep. Easy now.
Stay alert!
Hut!
nice here.
Yeah.
Hut!
You're good. You're good. You're good. And stop. Y'all take care.
Everything in order?
Yep.
All right.
It's like we're warping to another dimension.
Wonder where we'll end up.
Wow!
Nice.
This place is pretty big.
Haven't enjoyed the city life in a while.
They've even got a cable car!
I'd like to see where it leads.
It's getting hot out here.
Just need to pull in somewhere cool.
Yeah.
Any chance sleeping in a nice room tonight?
Yes, I'm certain we can secure suitable accommodations nearby.
I look at the menu, but I always get the butter one. As long as you're happy.
Whoa, this looks awesome.
Dude! Oh, this is gonna be a party in my mouth.
I dare say I can recreate this.
La bombe.
I look at the menu, but I always get the butter one. As long as you're happy. Ow.
One hell of a crowd.
Oh, this must be the main thoroughfare.
She's at the LaVille. Let's go.
Let's grab a bite.
Think food, think Fall Star. Thanks.
Bye now.
Looking good.
Welcome. I'm glad you're safe and well. Some refreshments. Here's our menu. Certainly.
Oh, yeah, here it comes.
I dare say I could make this a camp.
See anything you fancy? Can we rely on you? You'll take on the job? Wonderful! I look forward to the good news. Best of luck. You'll take on the job? Wonderful! I look forward to the good news. Stay safe.
Looking good.
You see this, Noct?
What about it?
Too hot for you.
You can say that again.
Never seen anything like that in the Crown City.
Looks like a factory. What do you think they make?
Energy. This plant produces enough power to serve the entire region.
Wow.
So many stalls here.
All full of foods I've never eaten.
The aroma is indeed tantalizing. I'm detecting a rather unique blend of spices.
Your nose knows everything.
I look at the menu.
Hey, brother, try one of these.
Okay.
Good, right?
Yeah. It's good.
Then come again and tell all your friends.
Looking good.
Welcome.
I don't see it here.
If it's not on the shelf, you're out of luck. It's gonna be a while before the whole last delivery fell. We'd go and pick it up. But that is unless you're willing to go and fetch the shipment for us.
Yeah. I think we can handle it.
Fresh produce straight from Furlock Farms. Stay and have a look. Thank you kindly. Thank you. Please come again.
Looking good.
I look at the menu, but I always get the butter one. As long as you're happy.
New in town, are you? Well, go on, take your time. Here you go. Enjoy. Thank you.
Hey there! Have yourself a good browse. Pleasure doing business. Pleasure doing business. See you later.
That's it.
What's up, Iggy?
I've come up with a new recipe.
I could taste test for you.
Welcome, welcome. What'll it be today? Here in Lestalem, we like our weather hot and our food hotter. It's a jungle out there, both beasts and demons making a nuisance of themselves. Appreciate it. Great! You like something? There's more where it came from. All right, we're counting on you.
Hey, brother. What are you after this time? Pleasure doing business. There's always more whenever you need it.
Always a pleasure. Remind me, what was it you liked again? Relax and make yourself at home.
Bon appetit. I dare say I could make this at camp.
Here's what we have. Take a look. Eat up. Young'uns like you need to keep up your strength.
Look out, stomach.
I dare say I could make this at camp.
Heading out? Come back anytime you like.
Welcome. I thank you. Come again.
What can I do for you? Thank you kindly. Thank you kindly. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you kindly. Come again.
Whoa! Did you feel that?
You mean the earthquake?
What's wrong?
My head just started throbbing.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Gladdy!
Iris.
Look at you guys holding your own out there.
What can I say? You look good.
All things considered. You guys are staying here, right?
That's the plan.
When you have time, we have catching up to do.
Sure.
Jared and Talcott, is it good to see you?
Prince Noctis! Iris is safe with me.
Please excuse my grandson. He has yet to learn his manners.
I like it.
Your Highness is very kind. But we shan't impose.
A very good night to you, Your Highness.
So, Iris, what was it like inside the Crown City?
Not pretty. The Citadel took a beating. But a lot of outlying neighborhoods made it through in one piece.
The Empire had tactical targets in mind.
You know, if there's anything else, you can ask me.
Yeah, thanks. What?
So, about Lady Lunafreya, I keep hearing she was in town. Apparently she left right away, but at least it means she's okay.
Good to hear. Thanks.
Yeah, well, get a good night's rest. Morning, sleepyhead.
Morning. Where is everyone?
Oh, they're out walking with Talcott. They went to see the sights. We should too.
Sure. Why not?
Great. I'll show you around.
It seems your patience was rewarded. Enjoy your walk, and please take care.
For our first stop, we'll check out the marketplace. Follow me, right this way. It's even more beautiful out here at night. This is the Partella Market. You can get almost anything here. Isn't it great? I'd buy out the whole place if I could.
All these shops seem right up your alley.
You know me so well. Wow. Look at all this neat stuff. I'm gonna take a look. Give me just a sec. Done. Next, we're gonna see the power plant.
Another scorcher. Want to pack our bags for Reed and cool down there.
So, Noct, what are you gonna do when we get to Kayam?
Me? Get ready to go to Altissia, I guess.
Right, that's the power plant. The driving force behind Lestalem's prosperity. But get this. Only women work there. As a matter of fact, women are the ones who do all the work in this town.
Sounds like your kind of place. I can see you doing well here.
I think so too. It's so different from home. I was surprised at first, but I like it. All right. Next, we're going to the Outlook. I'm a city girl, but I dig the rustic charm.
Huh?
Can you believe this crowd? I mean, it's like this all the way to the market. Ravito, it's a proper mountain.
You would totally love the drinks in this place.
Would I?
People actually ride here all the way from the Chocobo Post.
Imagine taking one for a spin.
Oh, yeah.
Pegler Outlook. amazing view, right? Look, there's the meteor. You know, Noct, this almost feels like a date.
If it were, your brother would kick my ass.
Well, we better keep it quiet then. And besides, you already have Lady Lunafreya. The others are probably back at the hotel by now. Let's join them. The breeze feels so good. Let's see if the others are back. Haven't had fun like this since we were kids. Thanks, Noct.
No sweat. I had fun too.
You did? I'm so happy to hear that. Anyway, the thing I bought today, it's for you. But it's a surprise, so you're gonna have to wait.
Hey, look who's back. Talcott, go on and tell him what you told me.
You got it.
Oh, come now, show some respect.
Whoa, no need to respect me. I'm not royalty.
So, there's this legend about a sword, and the sword's supposed to be behind a waterfall nearby.
It may well be one of the lost tombs.
Check it out.
Sure. Thanks for the tip, Talcott.
You're welcome. I'm sure the sword's there. I'm sorry if it isn't.
Whoa. The disc really is on fire. Is it safe to go?
This sounds dangerous. Will the four of you be all right?
Hey, boys, I have a job for Rough and... if you're not busy, I'd like... was about to... You can get the details.
Another scorcher. Ought to pack our bags for me to cool down there.
Excuse me, but you're a hunter.
Yeah.
You see, Gramps is seeking... To that end, we negotiated a deal. Maybe he got cold feet, maybe he's a cold corpse.
Hey, brother.
Yeah?
Well, if you see a delivery van abandoned along... The vehicle was attacked by monsters.
Certainly not your average little boy.
A little bit too much brass for that.
That's how I imagined you used to be, Iggy.
I wasn't, I assure you.
They've got cup noodles outside the city. All right.
Might be worth investing in a few servings in the event our pantry runs bare.
Well, put it on the list.
Another scorcher. Ought to pack our bags for leave and cool.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's the Crown Prince. City's most famous hunters, right?
Yeah.
Got out while you could, huh? Bad stuff's going on down there. You need cash? 'Cause I need people. What do you say? The job's yours, if you're willing and able.
That depends. What's the job?
The easy kind. Just need a couple of photos is all. The Disc of Cauthus. One from the south, one from the north.
I suppose we can manage that.
Yeah? That's great, kid. Music to my ears, let me tell you. Now, you're gonna need a camera, so what I suggest...
We've already got one.
Came prepared, huh? Guess you're ready to roll. Come back as soon as you get the shots. I'll be right here waiting to see what you do. Is that camera of yours Crown City made? Won't find something like that out here.
Maybe we should have thought about this.
How so?
Something's suspect. There must be a catch.
Guess we'll find out.
Folk here are real friendly.
Yeah, everybody greets you. Takes some getting used to.
You draw more attention here than you do at home.
Let's head on out.
Huh.
See that? You think that's the shipment?
Yes, but it seems we'll have to fight for it.
The hunt is on.
See ya!
A fiend fit to be eaten. Looking up a new recipe? You'll find out come supper.
Never fear! Bobdo's here!
See ya!
The Prince of Pain.
Yep. Come on, Mr. Nice Guy!
Brilliant. No big deal. It's an easily eaten world. I say easy. Let's do your bit, shall we?
Clean glasses.
Capital idea, no?
Even our best still isn't good enough.
Now with that attitude, it isn't.
My pleasure.
One shot!
Ain't got much life left in it.
Let's finish this.
No mercy.
Gladly. Sounds like someone's in a good mood.
Basking in our hard-fought victory, I presume.
Phew. That's all of it.
All right, let's head back to town. Time to go.
Mm-hmm. Might want to stock up on potions and stuff.
Nice. You're being helpful for a change.
What do you mean for a change?
Huh?
You ready to rumble, Noct?
In King's Night? Oh yeah, I'm game.
In that case, I'll join you. This place really grew on me. Perfect timing.
Sup?
Sup?
Everything in order?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. So, Noct, I've been taking pics of whatever catches my eye, but what do you want to see?
What does it matter? Not my camera.
Yeah, I guess you have a point.
Ignis, pull over a sec.
Certainly. Should be a nice change of pace.
Ready for more?
You bet.
Let's hit it.
Ignis, pull over a sec.
Certainly.
Do we have to walk?
Magitech engine. It's close. Watch the enemy's movements and don't...
Yep, right. Got it.
Take this! Watch out!
Gladio might be poisoned! It's not looking so hot. Is it poison? Come back! Ignis doesn't look good. He must be poisoned.
Just great.
What's the idea? I'm one of the good guys. Remember?
Didn't mean to do that.
Hit it!
Must be some kind of toxin.
Crumbling.
Let's wrap up this rumble and get some.
Nothing personal.
Knocked another one out!
No use hanging around here.
Indeed.
Everything in order?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
nice weather.
Ah, weather cleared up.
And here we are.
nothing to it.
Rock and roll!
Let's go. Thanks for the ride.
Nice riding with you.
Now ain't this a coincidence? You here for the fishing? Because there's a fine prize.
What prize?
The Cherry. You need more than a good lure to take...
Like what?
Timing. He only bites at dawn and at dusk. Wanna have a go?
Sure.
That's the spirit.
It's showtime.
Noct, you can show a bit of emotion, you know?
You did good.
Noct, you can show a bit of emotion, you know?
You've improved.
Great job, Noct.
We could save it for another day. No need to force it.
Yeah.
Wow, you did good.
nothing to it.
All in a day's work.
Time to show you what I can really do!
If I only had a gill for every time he said that.
Remember, they're just a scout of us.
Easy as they come.
Gotcha!
Gladio!
Yeah.
Try this!
Say your prayers!
That's that.
Biggie!
My pleasure.
Look out!
No calls for concern.
I'm impressed. It's no good.
Nothing personal.
Not rules!
No big deal. All right, we're done here.
Huh?
Is that the delivery van?
Hey! No one messing with this guy!
Where'd you learn that one, Knox?
All right, time to make a delivery.
Don't want to spoil the spoils. Magitech engine. It's close. Huh.
You're on fire today!
What can I say?
How many times?
Enough talk. Time for some action.
What's the best way to hurt these things?
Say your prayers.
Sup? Look, you look at this. Want some?
Give me thumbs come.
Let's be done with this ritual.
Never knew I hit him. Yeah, you guys better take this one.
Thing I need now.
Eyes peeled, mouth closed. What's that? Hey, we should be able to snag a stone around here, right?
Outstanding, Doc.
Yep.
Onward.
Right.
All that's left is the delivery.